Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Taj and I'm a paycheck budgeter documenting my financial journey here on YouTube. If you are returning, welcome back, beautiful budgeter. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this cash wallet. So if you are interested in seeing what I got, then stick around and keep on watching.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk.
All right, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So I decided, I had been thinking for a little while now that I wanted to try A6 wallet. So I've been carrying the A7 forever, and I wanted to try A6. I'm not going to give up my A7. I like A7, but I did want to try something a little different. And so I decided to get me a A6 cash wallet. So I ordered it from Amazon. Found this little small business on Amazon and ordered it. I have not. It came today. I did not open it yet, so I'm going to go ahead and open it on camera to see first impression on if it's gonna work for me. So I got this off of Amazon. It's the cash envelope wallet. It's by a small business called 3-Way Cut. I actually looked on YouTube and saw some good reviews about it. So we'll see if it lives up to what they see. Now, according to the reviews and the description, the wallet does come with some stuff, but girl, I'm gonna use my own stuff. But I did order it in green. My favorite color is black, y'all. Black, and then I like blue. But the last year, I have been really liking green. So I ordered a green. So it came with this little wristlet, or it comes with this wristlet, which is and then this is the green. It looks pretty. It also comes with some like envelopes that have, like, if you fold it here, like, it has the tabs. And I think there, if I'm not mistaken, there's some tabs. Yeah, so these go in here, but I'm not going to use this because I'm not a fan of this. It's flimsy, and I just don't like the pattern. Well, oh, that's cute. I like this one, though. Maybe I could use this one for, like, receipts or something. I don't know. We may use this one, but I don't like this. I don't like this. So this ain't my style, so I'm most likely not going to use that. So it comes with some trackers. Now here's my theory when it comes down to trackers in my wallet. If you've noticed any of my cash stuffing videos, I don't put trackers in my wallet. Reason being is, to me, I can't make sense of it. Okay, now everybody do what y'all, you know, to each their own. This is just me. I can't make sense of it. When I do my cash budget, when I do my budgeting, and I, how can I explain this? When I do my cash budget and I allocate money to certain categories within my wallet. So for instance, if I say I'm going to spend $300 in I'm going to put $300 to groceries. I'm going to put 60 to gas. I'm going to do 15 to miscellaneous. If I'm going to allocate a specific amount to each envelope, I really don't care what I bought from that envelope. As long as I don't go over what I allocated in that envelope, it's because I mean, why am I tracking it? It's already budgeted. I'm putting this amount of money to the side. Now, unless you just want to be like, well, let's see where I've spent that money at. But I really don't care, because obviously if it's in the maintenance category, car maintenance category, then you already know where you spent it. It went to car maintenance, unless you just flip-flopping all through the wallet. But if you allocated $150 to groceries, I don't even know that I went to Kroger, I went to Sam's, I went to, girl, it went to food, okay? So, I mean, I just don't see the point, girl. I don't see the point, but, you know. So, I don't really track. And I'm not sure if I'm interested in even trying it out, because it just don't make sense. Like, I don't care about all that, girl. I ain't dead tedious. But I may use the trackers for something else, like in my sinking funds, if I run out, if I you know, need some more cards. So maybe I could use it for that. But girl, I don't know. I just don't see the point in tracking my cash wallet. But we'll see. I don't know. This is a thank you card from them. 3-way cut, how to use the set for cats. I don't need that. And then this is a card, says yearly budget. Categories, girl, I ain't gonna use this, but okay, but that was cute. It's nice. So that's what it come with. I just ain't gonna use this, girl. This one is cute. I might use this for maybe like receipts, because I like that. But the only thing I would use it for is receipts. So we're gonna put that to the side. We're gonna look at the envelopes. I mean the wallet. So I got it in green. And I went back and looked at it when I was checking my tracking, and they actually don't have no more green. So I don't know if that must have was like a popular color, but I thought this was so cute. So first impression, this is really pretty. I like it. I like the feel of it. It feels like it's quality. I like it. I mean, it don't feel like cheap and flimsy. This is my backup A6 to my wallet. So I'm basically going to just make some more envelopes like this to go in there. But I grabbed this, as you can see, I ain't got no backup, y'all. But I grabbed this so that I could just kind of see how it would look. But it's pretty much the same color. But it comes with this little wristlet here. So if you wanted to just kind of take this with you, you can. Now where the hell did it go? I don't know. Oh, right there. It go right here. But so it has this zipper. Ooh, I like this. Oh, y'all look. So it come with some more. So it come with more of these little trackers. And so you have some card slots here. So you got 6 here. And then you have a place to put your coins. And then you have 6 more card slots here. And then you have another slot here. And then for like your ID. So I like that. It's a lot of room for cards. Definitely like that. And then it comes with some more of these little tabs. But I am definitely not going to use these because I don't like them. I don't like these patterns. And I don't like the feel of them. Now, the only thing just kind of first at a glance that I don't like about it, I'll take these out, is these some small ass rings. Like these some small rings, girl. I only carry 6 envelopes in my wallet. So, I mean, it'll work for me. But if I was one that carried, I've seen videos where people carry, girl, a whole bunch of envelopes in their cash wallet, in their daily cash wallet. This ain't gonna work for you. And it looks like this thing is a slide-in. Let me see. Oh, okay. So if you wanted to change this out, you can, because I mean, they sell these on Amazon, and you can just get the little tool to take it off and put you. I might do that, and I might change this because this zipper, like the hardware, is gold. So I don't know why you're gonna give me silver. So you know what? I think I'm gonna order a gold one and change the rings on here. And I may keep the same size rings because I'm thinking that this size ring, if I get something bigger, it may mess with the closing of the wallet. Now that I'm looking at it, if I get it too big, I'm gonna have a hard time probably trying to close it. These size rings fit to lay in here. So, but I would like to get gold to match. Wouldn't it make sense to get the gold? Is that gold? Girl, I don't know. Yeah, that's gold. So, all right. And then there's another slot here. And then you have a pin loop here. So, I like that. Let me see. So, I'm going to make me some more envelopes. And I'm going to use these. I'm gonna have the same style. Let's see if I can put them all in at one time. Okay. So yeah, this works. I mean, it's because like I said, I don't carry a lot of, I only carry 6. And here it was only 5 because I don't have a backup for, I didn't do a backup envelope for Beauty, but that's the only one that would be missing. So yeah, so that will work. I mean, that's big enough. So I really didn't even need to go up. If I want, if I needed to go up a size, I don't need to go up a size. But for those that have, a lot of envelopes that they carry on a daily basis, I'm just not sure this will be really tight. And if you try to get bigger rings, I'm more concerned about how it would lay in there for you to close it. So, oh girl, I like this. This is fancy. It just feels fancy. Let me see. I did say that I liked, and it don't like sit, but I don't care about that. I like this one. This is cute. And maybe I could use this one as like receipts. Let's see. So, how did it go? Girl, these some ugly envelopes. And I think I got it on backwards, but is that how they go? Oh, I guess that's how they go. Don't make me lie. If that ain't how it go, that's how it's gonna go. Okay, whatever. So yeah, I could use that as like some receipts, I guess. I don't know. I don't like that. I mean, I like the pattern, but I don't know. It's just something about this. Something about these. They're too flimsy. And is this the front of the, like, how do they work? Is this the back of the wallet and this the front of the wallet? Or is this the back and this the front? Girl, I don't know. Let me see. Where it's supposed to go? No, it can't go like that because this will be upside down. So this the front. Okay. Y'all bear with me now. Girl, I told you I'm used to A7. All right. So should this go this way? Or should it go this way? Because you want to put your receipts in here. Or do you want to put your receipts going like that? Girl, I don't know, but I'm spending too much time on trying to figure out this little flinky dinky envelope. Okay, but you get the picture. So yeah, and this actually comes out, so not sure how you would feel about that, but yeah, but I like it overall. I feel like I like it. Even the zipper feel good and in quality. Now, girl, how you get this in here? Let me see. So that go like that, right? So if you don't want to carry it in your purse, if you want to just kind of use it as a wristlet, you can. Because it works. All right, y'all. So what y'all think about this? If you are interested in this wallet, I will definitely link it down in the description box below. Again, the last time I checked, they did not have any more of the green, but they had a lot of other colors. So that's it for this video, y'all. If you like this video, if you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time your girl upload. And y'all, I'm gonna see you beauties in the next video. Okay, my girls, bye.